Okay, so I want to give a little bit of an explanation of how to operate this giant controller. So pressing gently turns on. On the right side we have the battery indicator, empty 25, 50, 75 and 100%. We have a light if this bike was to be fitted with a front light, and then power on and off. And on this left side we have the up and down pedal assist controllers. So right now we have pedal assist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the bottom underneath it has the walk mode, which is a 5K assistance provided by it. One fantastic thing about is the possibility of having an auto assistance, which means you will have the motor providing the ride assistance based on your cadence. And to activate it, you just have to press the down arrow for 3 seconds, and then one that is on, that means the bike is an auto assistance. If you want to deactivate it, just press any of the arrows and then it'll go to whatever you want to do.